Is that yummy? Is that yummy? Little man likes those? Yeah. Is that the woo? That's the woo-woo. The heck is that face? There. The heck was that all about? Another one? Where'd that crazy dog go? Look, she comes right back. What's that crazy dog want? Oh, I know what the crazy dog wants. She wants one of these. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. Easy, killer. Sit. Good. There, see, we shared. Oh, no, don't you get any ideas. These are for you. Who's this?
Still in there?
Look.
Did you feed him?
Mama. Yeah.
What'd you give him?
Eggies.
Did he eat them?
Yes.
He liked them?
He liked them.
Did he eat a lot?
He said, Grandma didn't cook these, so I think I can eat them.
Did he eat a lot?
Yes, he did.
So, like, does he need his oatmeal still, too?
I think so.
Then he didn't eat them.
I didn't fill him up with eggs, and I've never fed him all that.